May I see your passports and tickets, please?
1 second. I put it in my book. I cannot find my passport, Mom. I think I took the wrong book. The passport is at home on my desk.
If I leave right now, I can make it back in time.
Come on, Dad. Please come back soon.
I have it! Dad made it! I'm very sorry. I'm not able to reopen check-in now.
So we are not going to Tokyo because of me.
Mark, wake up. We are late.
What time is it?
It's 7:30. Our flight to Tokyo at 10 o'clock.
Okay. Let's move.
Leo, Mia, time to wake up. Today we fly to Tokyo.
Tokyo, cherry blossoms, and beautiful shrines. Yes! 5 more minutes, please. Still so
No,
tired.
5 minutes today, Mia. Tokyo is waiting for us.
Okay. I'm up. I don't want to miss the plane.
Okay, suitcases open on the floor. Let us pack everything. Mia, what did you already pack in your bag last night?
I packed my favorite pink dress, my book about Japan, and my teddy bear.
Good job, but do not forget your hat. Tokyo sun can be strong in spring.
Right. I will put my hat on top so I can see it. Mom, I packed my camera, my notebook, and my cool sneakers.
Yes, I want to take photos of everything. The temples, the trains, and the sakuma trees.
Leo, where are your comfortable walking shoes?
I do not know. I cannot see them anywhere.
Here, little photographer, your shoes are hiding under your bed again.
Thanks, Dad. I'll put them in my suitcase right now.
Snack time, rice crackers, cookies, and 2 big bottles of green tea.
Where are the snacks going, Mark?
In the red backpack, yes. Everything goes into the red backpack. Easy to carry.
And coffee for us, of course. No trip without hot coffee.
Yes, we packed all our clothes and my warm jacket is in the suitcase too.
Now, one more thing. Today you are not little kids, you are big travelers. Each of you will carry your own passport in your own bag.
Really? I can carry my own passport this time? I want to carry mine too. I am responsible now. I will put mine in my favorite book to keep it super safe.
That is us. Good morning.
Okay, kids. Into the car, seatbelts on.
Seatbelt on and tight. Click.
Mine is on too, and I'm ready.
Yes, please, to the international terminal for our Tokyo flight.
I cannot wait to see Senfoji Temple and the big red gate.
And I want to see the cherry blossoms. They look like pink clouds.
That sounds like a perfect Tokyo plan to me.
Tokyo is a wonderful city, both modern and traditional.
Wow, that sounds exactly like a real anime movie. Mom, look! Airplanes, real ones.
I see them, so big and shiny.
Okay, explorers, bags first, airplanes later. The Smith family had always dreamed of taking a trip together, and today was the day they were finally going on vacation.
Check-in counters are on the left. See those signs?
What does check-in mean, Mom?
We give our passports and tickets to the airline. They check everything.
This one is 28 kilograms. The limit is 23. We are over.
I can move my camera and notebook to the other bag.
May I see your passports and tickets, please?
And this one is mine. We are all going to Tokyo today.
I need one more passport for the young lady. Mia, please show her your passport now.
1 second. I put it in my book. I cannot find my passport, Mom. I really cannot find it.
Sweetheart, where did you last see your passport this morning?
I think I took the wrong book. The passport is at home on my desk.
If I leave right now, I can make it back in time. We will fix it together. You stay here with Mom. I will be back. Back to my house. As fast as you can, please. Please, just drive as fast as you can.
I am sorry, sir, but look, there is a traffic jam.
My phone. Oh no, I left my phone with Lena. Can I use your phone to call my wife?
I'm sorry, sir. My phone battery is dead.
Everyone forgets things sometimes, Mia. It's okay.
Not important things like a passport. This is all my fault.
Wait, oh no. His phone is in my handbag.
We just have to wait and trust him. Come on, Dad. Please come back soon.
Where is it? Here on the desk in the book! I found it!
Back to the airport again, as fast as possible! I have it! Dad made it!
I am sorry. Check-in just closed.
What? Please, we have all 4 passports right here.
I'm very sorry. I'm not able to reopen check-in now.
So we are not going to Tokyo because of me!
This flight is delayed due to a technical issue. Check-in is now open again.
Mom, did you hear that? The plane is late!
Wait, delayed? What does delayed mean, Mom?
It means the plane is late. And look, check-in is open again. Your flight is delayed. Please come back to the counter now.
Yes, we can still go to Tokyo!
I have mine. I checked 3 times.
Here are your boarding pass. Gate 9, boarding at 11:20.
Thank you so much!
You're welcome. Have a wonderful trip. Please remove your jackets and put them in the tray.
What is a tray, Mom?
That flat, gray box like a plate.
No liquids. We checked everything.
Good. Please walk through one by one.
Do you have coins or keys in your pocket?
Oh, yes, sorry. My lucky coin from Grandpa.
You are a professional traveler now.
Perfect! Well done, Mia! I did it!
Boarding now for Tokyo. Have your boarding packs ready.
I am a little nervous, Mom.
We are all together. That is what matters.
Here you go. Thank you. Enjoy your flight to Tokyo.
Our seats are 18A, 18B, 18C, and 18D.
Row 18 is here. I am next to the window. Oh, I am in the middle, Leo.
That is okay. You can switch with Mia later and look out the window too.
Please fasten your seatbelts. We will take off shortly.
I feel a little nervous. My tight tummy feels funny.
Seatbelts on, everyone. Good job.
We are moving! We are going faster and faster! We are lifting off! I can feel it! Look, the ground is getting smaller. The houses look like toy blocks.
And the cars look like ants.
Now we are in the clouds. They are so white and fluffy. This is amazing, Dad. Yes, it is pretty amazing, isn't it?
Yes, please. Juice for the kids and green tea for us.
Maybe some cookies too?
Of course. Here is your apple juice.
I love airplane snacks. Everything tastes better in the sky.
The clouds look like cotton candy or ice cream.
Sorry, no jumping out to taste them.
Just a little turbulent, sweetie. Nothing to worry about.
It feels like a gentle roller coaster.
Look, I can see the ocean now. It's so blue and sparkly.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now beginning our descent into Tokyo.
Finally! I cannot wait to see the cherry blossoms and the temples.
Are we landing already, Leo?
Look, those must be the cherry blossom trees. They really are pink.
Time flies when you're having fun. We are getting closer.
We did it! We landed safely!
We did not crash, Mia.
Mia, we do not say that out loud.
Welcome to Tokyo, everyone! Let's go! It is cool and perfect for cherry blossom viewing.
Welcome to Fukuoka International Airport. The local time is 2:15 p.m.
Why does it take so long?
I see one. That is ours. It has the sakura flower sticker.
Great. All bags are here. Let us go find our driver.
Now look for a sign with Smith family. His name is Tanaka Las.
Wait, what about that one? It says Smith's family.
Almost. Our name is Smith, not Smiths, but that must be our driver.
Hello, are you the Smith family? Welcome to Japan. I am Tanaka.
And it smells different, like green tea and flowers.
This is really Japan. I cannot wait to see the temple. So what did we learn today?
Always pack your passport the night before and check your bag twice.
And always tell the truth when something goes wrong.
Honesty and asking for help is always better than hiding mistakes.
Dad, I learned so many new words today. Boarding pass, delayed,
Descent? Delayed is my favorite word because delayed saved us.
That is very wise thinking, Mia. Your hotel is very beautiful.
It was not easy, but they made it together. Next time, Cherry Bloms and Temples, please like and subscribe so you do not miss part 2.
If you like our video, please click the like button, yes!
Give us a big thumbs up
And click subscribe!
to learn more English with us. And share with your friends as well.
See you in the next adventure!
Thank you!